Hey guys, today I will show you how I make this beef roulade Bourguignon. It's a fusion between German and French food. Bon appétit.
We start by slicing the beef nice and thin, then gently flatten it. Season with salt and pepper, spread some whole grain mustard, and add chopped pickles. Then finally chop onions and finish with 2 slices of bacon. Now roll it carefully, nice and tight. That's what we want. Looks good. Tie it with some kitchen string. Next, into a very hot pan. We brown each side to get that deep, rich color. Take them out, add carrots and onions, cook for a few minutes, then add tomato paste. Deglaze with red wine, scrape all those flavors from the bottom, reduce. Add more wine, and reduce again. Now the meat goes back in. Add your herbs, whatever you have, rosemary works great. Then pour in a good veal or beef stock, about 3/4 up. And last, a small dash of soy sauce for extra depth. Cover and let it simmer for 2 hours. You can also finish it in the oven. Once it's ready, remove the meat, strain the sauce and reduce it until thick and glossy. Put the meat back in, coat it well, slice it, and that's it. Serve with a buttery mashed potato, some sautéed mushrooms and onions, and finish with that beautiful sauce on top. A touch of herbs for color. Enjoy and see you soon in Zico Kitchen. Cheers.